Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon Data Zone now supports meaning-based semantic search, enhancing how data users search and discover assets. This new capability allows users to search by concept and related terms, in addition to existing keyword-based search. As a result, users can discover related datasets in Amazon Data Zone based on the intent of their query. For instance, a search for profit now returns data assets related to sales, costs, revenue in addition to the keyword profit. This significantly improves the relevance and quality of the search results and helps support the desired analytics use case. The semantic search feature is powered by a GenAI search engine that uses an embedded language model to generate sparse vectors which enrich assets with semantically related terms. Amazon Simple Notification Services now delivers notifications to Amazon Data Firehose endpoints in 6 new regions for archiving and analysis. This feature enables users to deliver events from SNS topics to Firehose delivery streams, which can then forward the events to various destinations such as AWS services like Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon Redshift, and Amazon Open Search Service, or third-party services like Datadog, New Relic, MongoDB, and Splunk. Amazon SNS delivers to Amazon Data Firehose endpoints in these 6 new regions. This expansion enables users to leverage the scalability and reliability of SNS with the flexibility of Firehose delivery streams. AWS IAM now supports private link in the AWS Gov Cloud regions. This allows you to establish a private connection between your virtual private cloud and IAM to manage IAM resources, helping you meet compliance and regulatory requirements by limiting public internet connectivity. You can use Private Link with both IAM and the AWS Security Token Service to manage your IAM resources such as IAM roles and request temporary credentials to access your AWS resources end-to-end without going through the public internet. This means that interface VPC endpoints for IAM in the AWS Gov Cloud regions can only be created in the same region where the IAM control plane is located. If your VPC is in a different region, you must use AWS Transit Gateway to allow access to the IAM interface VPC endpoint from another region. Amazon Simple Notification Service now delivers notifications to Amazon Data Firehose endpoints in the AWS Gov Cloud regions. This new feature enables SNS topics to send events to Firehose delivery streams, which can then archive and analyze data. You can create a Firehose stream in the Amazon Data Firehose Developer Guide and subscribe it to an Amazon SNS topic in the Amazon SNS Developer Guide. The SNS pricing for deliveries to Amazon Data Firehose is also available on the Amazon SNS pricing page. For more information, you can refer to a blog post that discusses how to use Amazon Data Firehose for archiving and replay into an existing serverless architecture. Amazon QuickSight now supports client credentials, OAuth for Snowflake through API/CLI, enabling the creation of Snowflake connections as part of infrastructure as code efforts with full support for AWS CloudFormation. This launch brings machine-to-machine communication capabilities to clients accessing resources hosted on a server without user involvement. The new feature includes support for token and X509-based OAuth solutions, allowing seamless integration with Snowflake data sources. AWS Code Pipeline open-sourced its starter templates library, providing a valuable resource for those new to Code Pipeline. This library allows users to view the CloudFormation templates that power different pipeline scenarios available in the Code Pipeline. With the starter templates, you can see the resources being provisioned and understand how different pipeline stages are configured. These templates can be used as a starting point for building more advanced pipelines, providing increased transparency and a hands-on approach to CI/CD workflows. The AWS Code Pipeline Starter Templates library is released as an open-source project under the Apache 2.0 license and can be accessed through the GitHub repository. You can visit the product page for more information about AWS Code Pipeline. Amazon Data Zone has eliminated its monthly subscription fee for every configured user, making the service more accessible and cost-effective for customers. Instead, Amazon Data Zone now offers a pay-as-you-go model, where users are charged only for the resources they use. This change is expected to benefit customers who want to scale their usage without being constrained by per-user costs, allowing them to make the service more accessible to a wider user base. Amazon Redshift Serverless has introduced higher base capacity of up to 1024 Redshift processing units in the AWS Europe and Europe regions. This increased capacity enables you to support workloads of large complexity, processing terabytes or petabytes in size. The new higher base capacity allows for improved performance when serving use cases such as complex and long-running queries that require high memory and computation. Additionally, this increased capacity is particularly beneficial for queries with large numbers of columns, joins, and aggregations, as well as data-like queries scanning large amounts of data. With a base capacity range from 8 to 1024 RPUs in the additional AWS regions, you now have more flexibility to meet your specific workload requirements. This higher capacity also enables faster data loading and querying, making it ideal for ingesting large datasets into the data warehouse. Amazon QuickSight now supports client credentials, OAuth for Starburst through API/CLI, enabling the creation of Starburst connections as part of infrastructure as code efforts with full support for AWS CloudFormation. This launch introduces machine-to-machine communication capabilities, allowing clients to access resources hosted on a server without user involvement. The supported OAuth flows include token and X509-based authentication. Furthermore, this feature also includes role-based access, controlled, which displays the corresponding schema/table information tied to each role during dataset creation by QuickSight authors. Amazon Location Service has launched enhanced places, routes, and maps functionality, enabling developers to add advanced location capabilities into their applications more easily. The enhancements introduce new capabilities and a streamlined developer experience to support location-based use cases across industries such as healthcare, transportation and logistics, and retail. Geocode search function allows for searching addresses, search nearby finds local businesses, and autocomplete predicts typed addresses. Richer places details include opening hours and contact information. Advanced route planning capabilities have also been introduced, including toll cost calculation, waypoint optimization for multi-stop delivery, isolated or serviceable area calculation, and supporting a variety of travel restrictions. These enhancements are accompanied by new standalone SDKs, making it easier for developers to start new mapping projects or migrate their existing workloads to Amazon Location Service. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.